So, good morning, students. So, this is the second problem, an issue of debenture at premium. You know that premium is more than the face value or higher than the face value. So, given premium at the time of allotment stage, you have to make one more journal entry, that is security premium account. Security premium always should be right on credit side only, because security premium is income for the business. In case given in the problem, discount given in the problem, that is loss for the business, that should be right on debit side. So before make the journal entries and before call the journal entries, we need to understand so what they given in the problem. So we are given name of the company, Sunga Company Limited issue 12,000 number of debentures. Interest 12%. 12,000 12% debentures of rupees 100 each. 100 is the face value or par value each. So 100 rupees is the ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ ನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 rupees. At premium of rupees 10, when debentures demand is more, when demand is more for the debentures, at the time the company will decide to collect extra amount, that is more than the face value, that is called as premium. So here the company collect 10 rupees extra on allotment stage only. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 rupees ಇದೆ face value, premium 10 rupees ಇದೆ, 110 rupees ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸಹ 110 rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Actually the company will collect 40 rupees on allotment stage, but security premium is there. So for that reason the allotment stage 40 allotment stage rupees 40 rupees including 10 rupees premium. So then 10 plus 40 will become 50 rupees. So next one 40% final call. Then all the debentures were subscribed and money duly received for the journal entries up to the stage of first and final call money due. So you know that how to make journal entries, and each and every stage you have to make two journal entries. On application stage you have to make two journal entries, one entry for receive, one more entry for transfer. For receive, what is the entry for receive? Bank account data to 12% debenture application account. Remaining all stages you have to make two journal entries, one entry for due, one entry for receive. But on security premium you have to make one more extra journal entries. Let us go how to make journal entries. The first one, on application stage you have to make two journal entries, one entry for receive, one more entry for transfer. For receive bank account data to 12% debenture application account. 12% debenture application account. The right narration here, the 12%, because the company issue the application. At that time the company collect only 20 rupees per debenture. So being 12% debenture, being 12% debenture application 12% debenture application money received. How much they receive? 20 rupees for 12,000 debentures received on 12,000 debentures at rupees 20 per debenture. 20 per debenture. So 12,000 into 20. 12 to the 24, 2,40,000. 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Next, this entry for due. Next, for transfer, 12% debenture, application account data to 12% debenture account. Narration: being 12% debenture application money transferred to 12% debenture account. So whatever the received amount on application stage, that is the due amount. Now we have received. So 2,40,000. So now we have transferred. The first one received, then transferred. 2,40,000. 2,40,000. Next, on allotment stage, we have to make two journal entries. One entry for due, one entry for received. But at the allotment stage, we have to make one more journal entry, that is security premium account. Always security premium account should be right credit side only. So here, third one for due, 12% debenture, allotment account data, 12% debenture allotment account data to 12% debenture account. But when given security premium, it should be right credit side only. To securities premium account. How we have to calculate amount? Total 12,000 into debenture application allotment account, 12,000 into total 50 rupees, 6 lakhs. Total is 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. Then 6 lakhs, right? Okay, 6 lakhs. Next, security premium. How much they given premium? 10 rupees. So here given 12,000 into 10. 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Then debenture account, 12,000 into, when given security premium should be deducted from debenture allotment account, 50 minus 10, 40. So 4,80,000, right? 4,80,000. This is a way of to make the general entries in given security premium account. Narration: being 12% debenture allotment money due on 12,000 debentures at rupees 50 per debenture, bracket including premium. So already we have calculated 12 into 50, 12 into 10, then 12 into 40. Then you have to receive including premium. Fourth one, for receive bank account data to 12% debenture allotment account being 12% debenture allotment money received including premium including premium total debentures 12,000 into actually 40 rupees allotment, then including 10 rupees premium, total 50 becomes 6 lakhs. Next, first one final call. First one final one two data entries for due. For due 12% debenture first and final call account data to 12% debenture account being 12% debenture first and final call money due on number of debentures 12,000 debentures at rupees 40 per debenture. So 12,000 into 40. So 48. 4,80,000. Then 4,80,000. Next, for receive, sixth one, bank account data to 12% debenture first and final call account being 12% debenture first and final call money received 140 received. So total amount 4,80,000. 4,80,000.